Welcome the our channel. Today we how to download Reolink app to set up NVR remote viewing step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your device. Go to the official Reolink website. Locate the download section on the home page. Select the option for the Reolink app. Choose the appropriate version for your device, either iOS or Android. Click the download button to start the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your device's download folder. Tap on the downloaded file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the app. Once installed, open the Reolink app on your device. You will be greeted by the login screen. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information to register. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. After logging in, navigate to the device setup section. Select the option to add a new device. Follow the instructions to connect your NVR to the app. Ensure your NVR is powered on and connected to the same network. Scan the QR code displayed on your NVR screen if prompted. Alternatively, you can enter the device's ID and password manually. Once your NVR is connected, it will appear in your device list. Select your NVR to access the remote viewing features. Adjust any settings as necessary for optimal viewing. You are now set up for remote viewing using the Reolink app. Enjoy monitoring your security system from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.